Now we're going to look at the Microsoft Word Inset tab. We did the Home tab, but now we're going to do the Insert tab. So you can insert a whole page. You can click a blank page. You can make a page break. You can insert a table. This is kind of like using Excel if you've ever used Excel, but you get to decide how big you want it to be. So let's say I want it like this. And there is your table, and you can write things in each table. This can be handy when you want to have things separated across the page in a certain way. If you didn't add enough spaces, you can just put it there and click on Tab, and it will add more for you. And this gives you a whole new toolbar up here for all the things you might need to use for your table. Now we're back to the original Insert tab. You can insert a picture. You've probably done this before. This is for pictures that you have saved onto your computer. You can insert an online picture. You would just type in the words you're looking for, and this will give you your choices. These are things that are in the Creative Commons. You could also uncheck that box and be sure to give credit to any site that you use to get pictures. Yeah, there we go. This will give you more options, but you'll want to be sure to consider that a source. Give it credit. You can insert shapes. Here are the shapes you could choose from. So if I wanted a heart, I would click on that, and then I would just create my heart like that. I'll have to go back to my insert. Here's some other choices: charts, screenshots. So screenshots kind of cool. You can actually, oopsie, I didn't mean to do that. This lets me take a screenshot, and I don't want to do that. Okay. You can add from files. I don't ever do that. You can go to Wikipedia. You can insert a video. So you could put the website of a video that you want to insert right there. You can insert a link. And the way you do that is you would, this shows me some links I've been to today. And it would just go down here. This is where you'll put your header and your footer. I'll talk about that in another video. You can insert a text box. Let me show you how that looks. If you want a text box, this will make and you can move it around wherever you want on the page. Let's say you want a separate little box of text. You could put that right there and type into it. You can also insert, gotta go back to my Insert tab. Word art is kind of cool, where you can do that. And you can just kind of play around. What else could you put in there? So those are the Insert tab features. If we go to Office 365, let's see if they're the same. Yeah, page break, table, picture, link, reuse files, new comment, header and footer, page number, symbol, emoji. That's a whole new one. You can insert an emoji. And then remember the 3 dots means there are more. And a comment. A comment lets you, if you were going to look at somebody else's paper and say, this part is confusing, so it leaves my name right there and lets whoever wrote that know that I have looked at it, or I could look at it when I'm reviewing my paper myself. I can remind myself to go back and look at that. So that is the Insert tab of Microsoft Word.